Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you the ideas on how we can possibly fix the issue for Fiesta if your Bluetooth is not working. So the first thing that you can try to do, and maybe this is going to work out, you just want to unpair your phone from the car and your phone card from the phone. So what you want to do is this: you can have on your phone, swipe down, go to settings on the top right, then you can have connections. There you can have under Wi-Fi Bluetooth, and right here you're gonna have BMW or like whatever Ford Fiesta settings, and then you're gonna have unpair. So unpair it and try to reset your phone. Also do the same thing with the card. If you can also unpair it, this is the first way what you can do. The second way what you can try to do is that you want to take the fuse out for your the audio. Primarily you want to check in the manual. It can be in a 10, it can be 15, but primarily it's going to be 10. You want to press, like, take it out for like a minute and then put it back in. And this is something that you can also do. The fuse is going to be on the right side where you're going to have the storage. You're going to open, you have to like push it out, and there you're going to have it. So this is how you can possibly fix it. I hope it's going to work out. I just want to make this quick video, and have a great day, and goodbye.